Okay, boys and girls, today what we're going to talk about is perimeter. And this is just a review because we've all done this before. And I can't take very long because I'm going somewhere. But I can't tell you where it is right now. But I got to get it over with quick because I'm just going to go somewhere and I'm waiting for something. So anyway, what we're looking at is we're looking at perimeter. And perimeter is the distance around the outside of either a square or a rectangle or any other shape. It is the distance around the outside. So if I was going for a walk and I was doing the perimeter of this square, I would walk the 6 centimeters this way, I would turn, I would walk down 6 centimeters this way, I would go 6 centimeters this way, and I would go 6 centimeters and I would finish right here. But you know what? That's not realistic because 6 centimeters would only be about this long, wouldn't it? So anyway, if I've got a square, what does that mean? How about Presley? What does it mean to have a square? All the sides are the same, right? So if one side is 6 centimeters, that means all the other sides would be 6 centimeters. So we've got 6 centimeters there. We've got 6 centimeters across. We've got 6 centimeters here. And we've got 6 centimeters across from that over here. And what we do is we just add them all up. We've got 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, or for all you ones who know your multiplication table, you know that 6 times 4 equals 24. So that would be 24 centimeters around the outside of the square. Now, I'm going to show you where I'm going. I am going to McDonald's. And as you can see here, I have the drive-thru and I'm just waiting for my quarter pound of cheese, large fries, and my medium Coke. So while I'm waiting for my quarter pound of cheese, large fries, and medium Coke, what I'm going to do is teach you a little lesson. Now what I did, I went down to McDonald's, which is here, and I was at Mickey D's, and I found out that the length of Mickey D's was 32 meters, and the width of Mickey D's was 16 meters. So if I've got 32 meters on this side, what would it be on the other side? How about Allen? Exactly, it would be the same. So to the other side, it would be 32 meters because opposites on a rectangle are the same. So if that's true, Muhammad, what would it mean that this one equal? What? 16 meters? You got it, because 16 meters on this side, we'd have 16 meters on this side too. Which is going to make it very, very, very hard to add them all up. Now what we can do, we could go 32 plus 32 plus 16 plus 16, and then would we have 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, I leave my 6 there, I'm gonna bring the 1 over because that's a 10, so if I've got more than 10 here, I can't have it, gotta bring it over to where the tens column is. So now I've got 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So I have 96. Another way of doing it, I could have just taken 16, and I double it. 16 plus 16 is 32. I know that. And you know what? If I said 32 times 3, I know 3 times 2 would be 6. And I know 3 times 3 is 9. So 32 times 3 would be 96, which is a easier way to do it. But you got to know your times tables. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the perimeter of this McDonald's. So I'm going to walk the perimeter for you. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to walk all the way down to the end, which would be along this line. Then I'm going to do this line. Then I'm going to do this line. Then I'm going to do this line. So I'm going to walk all the way down to the end. When I get there, I'm going to turn. I'm going to walk all the way down to the end. I'm going to turn again. I'm going to walk all the way to the end. I'm going to turn again. I'm going to walk right back to where I started at the corner. And that was walking the perimeter of McD's. And now you know what? I gotta go. Because at the drive-thru here, my quarter pounder with cheese, large fries, and Coke is ready. So I'll see you next time. Bye for now.